Hello everyone, for the first time Aarti Chocos is coming up with an online chocolate program catering for all age groups and genders. We welcome everyone to be a part of this beginners course and learn the basic skills in chocolate making. We have conducted various workshops and facilitated training for many students in catering workshops for various corporate firms, universities and groups spread out in multiple cities. Many students joined Aarti Chocos with an intent to initiate startups, and we are fortunate enough to guide them in the entrepreneurial journey. Our motive is not only to train them but also to guide and support them in establishing their journey. We have designed this course in English and Hindi language so that the candidates can select their language of choice and that we are able to cater to a wider audience. This course will cover the theory and practical part because we always believe in imparting the right education to our students. In the theory session, you will learn about the chocolate history, difference between compound and couverture, types of chocolate, Dutch processed cocoa versus natural processed cocoa powder, and many more interesting things. Once your theory part will be over, you will get to learn about the basics of chocolate making, chocolate techniques, garnishes, different recipes, making chocolate without mold, correct way to use the ingredients, decorations, different method to melt the chocolate, types of chocolate and lot more exciting stuff. We can assure that your learning will be remarkable and you will have many takeaways by the end of this course. We have really worked hard to design this course with a motive to prepare people to the next level of chocolate making. The success of Aarti Chocos was not possible without your unending support and enthusiasm. So please spread this course among your friends and relatives so that maximum people can learn and skilled in chocolate making. We have a big surprise for the first 20 registered enrollments. We are giving a 100% discount to the first 20 students of this course. Yes, they can avail of this course at free of cost, so don't wait and grab your seat now. Kindly click on the link below and enroll yourself first. For further inquiries, please contact or WhatsApp us at 9140238741. Thank you.